Hi, my name's David Taylor from Lakeside Software. Just wanted to give you a kind of quick introduction to what Lakeside's all about. So essentially what we have is this tooling which allows you to collect huge amounts of information very efficient and effectively from your infrastructure. So that allows you to bring that into a place where you can report on it to work out how you're going to transform the environment, maybe optimize it, or even just kind of troubleshoot issues that you're experiencing in the infrastructure. So what we do is we capture information around the hardware, the software that's installed on the PCs, the servers, that's operating system, application software. We measure what applications are used, who's using what resources those applications are consuming, user profile, what workloads, what work styles those users use to allow you to start to segment what's going on. And then we capture all the information around all the faults and alerts, issues, hangs, crashes that we were observing in the infrastructure, and then kind of build that into a database which you can then start to analyze. So that allows you to do assessments. So if you're starting at the beginning of a project, you bring all that data together to build out what the future infrastructure will need to be looking like in terms of compute resource, the different segments of users that you need to cater for to build a VDI solution or just even a Windows 7 transformed physical desktop solution. And then bring that into sort of planning tools which we provide to help you kind of model that out, build out all the back-end infrastructure, and then start to use it to monitor and measure what the user experience is. So before transformation, then after transformation, into business as usual phases of the project. So what we do, all that data we're collecting, and we're snapshotting thousands of different data points every 15 seconds, that allows us to build up a really rich picture of what the user experience looks like. What are the causes of the issues? So correlating all that data to bring together a picture of what are the key areas, which are the key users that are experiencing issues, and then start to build out sort of dependency maps. So on the screen here we've got a picture really of one particular piece of infrastructure and all the different kind of components and the end-to-end parts of that solution that could potentially impact user experience. So here we've got a representation of the PC in the center here. Could be a virtual desktop, could be a physical desktop. Seeing how we're connecting to that physical desktop and what the latency looks like on that connection. The storage infrastructure which the user is using in order to do their job and what the latency looks like there, so network, local storage, whatever that might be. And then the individual processes that are actually running within that session and the back-end dependencies in terms of servers that those applications are talking to. So you build out a complete end-to-end picture of what's going on, and that allows you to start troubleshooting, where are the performance issues, which areas of my infrastructure needs to be improved, how do I get to the bottom of exactly what's going on. So we provide all that data in terms of sort of a black box recorder that we can move the clock backwards to when an issue started to occur and use all the data and analytics to actually inform the root cause analysis process and kind of drive it to a solution very, very quickly. So really the whole SysTrack tool, Lakeside SysTrack, is really an end-to-end planning, assessment, design tool through to kind of managing and monitoring user experience right through into operational phases of a transformation project.